हेलो फ्रेंड्स, गुड मॉर्निंग, अस्सलाम वालेकुम, सत श्री अकाल, आदाब, नमस्कार, वट एवर यू फील कनेक्टेड विद। वेलकम बैक टू यूर यूट्यूब चैनल। उम्मीद है कि आप सब ठीक ठाक होंगे। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आप मुझे बता दीजिए कि मेरी वॉइस क्लियर है आपको, और जल्दी से जल्दी जुड़ जाए, इस वीडियो को अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर कीजिए सो दैट हम आज की सेशन को शुरू करें। और जैसे कि आप जानते हैं, दिस इज कंप्लीट लेक्चर सीरीज ऑफ सब्जेक्ट एजुकेशन। आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं स्पेशल फीचर्स ऑफ दिस लेक्चर सीरीज। दिस लेक्चर सीरीज विल बी आल्सो आवर फाउंडेशनल बैच विच इज़ गोइंग टू बी स्पेशल फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ एजुकेशन। इसके अलावा अगर आप चैनल पे नए हैं तो आप चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, और आप मुझे फॉलो कर सकते हैं ऑन डिफरेंट सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स लाइक फेसबुक, इंस्टाग्राम, एक्स पे। और अगर आपको कोई क्वेरी, डाउट या अगर आपको स्टडी मटेरियल ज़रूरत हो देन आप मुझे मेल कर सकते हैं मेरी ईमेल पे, ओके। और जैसे कि आप जानते हैं, एट प्रेजेंट वी आर डीलिंग विद एजुकेशनल फिलासफी, और हमने ऑलरेडी डिस्कस किए हैं बहुत सारी टॉपिक्स ऑफ एजुकेशनल फिलासफी। और अगर आपने अभी तक उन वीडियोस को नहीं देखा, आप जाके उनको ऑल्सो देख सकते हैं। एनीवेज, जो आज का हमारा टॉपिक ऑफ डिस्कशन है दैट इज़ एजुकेशनल थॉट ऑफ एम के गांधी। लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर टॉपिक विदाउट एनी डिले ऑफ टाइम। महात्मा गांधी की जो एजुकेशनल फ़िलासफ़ी है उसको ऑफन रेफ़र किया जाता है एज नई तालीम, दैट इज़ न्यू एजुकेशन, जिसमें वो एम करते हैं टू क्रिएट हॉलिस्टिक, सोशली रेलिवेंट, स्पिरिचुअली एनरिचड और कम्प्रहेंसिव अप्रोच टुवर्ड्स एजुकेशन दैट बेसिकली एड्रेस द इंटेलेक्चुअल, इमोशनल, सोशल एंड स्पिरिचुअल नीड्स ऑफ द स्टूडेंट। और उसका ये जो अप्रोच है ये हमें रिवोल्यूशनरी देखने को मिलता है, जिनमें वो इंटीग्रेट करते हैं, लिंक करते हैं एजुकेशन को विथ लाइफ, वर्क एंड स्पिरिचुअलिटी इन ऑर्डर टू क्रिएट मोर हॉलिस्टिक एंड मीनिंगफुल लर्निंग एक्सपीरियंसेस। और उसका ये जो अप्रोच है, इट नॉट ओनली एम्स एट टू ट्रांसफॉर्म इंडिविजुअल्स बट इट also aims at to transform society as a whole, that is by promoting self-reliance, moral development and community service, right? Now talking about some key aspects of his educational philosophy through which you can easily understand this topic. फर्स्ट इज़ बेसिक एजुकेशन, दैट इज़ नई तालीम। जो महात्मा गांधी का कंसेप्ट है नई तालीम, बेसिक एजुकेशन, इट वाज हिज रिवोल्यूशनरी अप्रोच टूरिस्ट लर्निंग दैट पर्टिकुलरली फोकसेस ऑन द एप्लीकेशन ऑफ थ्योरेटिकल नॉलेज टू रियल वर्ल्ड सिचुएशंस, और वी कैन से इट फोकसेस ऑन द एक्सपीरियंशियल लर्निंग, जो कि एम करता है टू प्रमोट academic achievement as well as that also aims at to prepare students for the life। सच एज जो गांधी है उसका ये मानना है कि जो एजुकेशन है इट शुड नॉट क्रिएट डिवीजन और डिफरेंसेस बिटवीन मैनुअल लेबर और इंटेलेक्चुअल एक्टिविटी, but it should recognize the importance of both of these forms of work. So for him both intellectual activity और जो work है these are the inseparable और hands in hand, और बोथ जो है ये प्ले करते हैं इंपॉर्टेंट रोल फॉर बिल्डिंग मोर जस्ट इक्विटेबल सोसाइटीज़ एज वेल एज दैट आल्सो प्लेस एन इंपॉर्टेंट रोल इन शेपिंग वेल राउंडेड इंडिविजुअल्स। बेसिकली इन दिस अप्रोच वो फोकस करते हैं ऑन क्राफ्ट बेस्ड एजुकेशन। फॉर हिम जो एक्टिविटीज़ हैं लाइक स्पिनिंग, weaving, farming as well as other practical crafts, they should be included in curriculum that can teach students the value of labor, and that can also reduce their dependence on external employment. बेसिकली थ्रू दिस मेथड जो गांधी है वो एम करते हैं टू प्रमोट रेस्पेक्ट, अप्रिसिएशन फॉर मैनुअल वर्क दैट एनकरेज चिल्ड्रंस टू सी एट एज डिग्निफाइड और एसेंशियल फॉर पर्सनल एंड सोशल वेलबींग, सो that also reduce the dependence on external employment, and that also promote holistic development among them. So for Gandhi, by engaging in hands-on activities, जो students हैं वो खाली acquire नहीं करते हैं practical skills but वो also economically independent बनते हैं, that also reduce their dependence on external employment, and that also promote community self-reliance. In addition, जो हैंड्स ऑन एक्सपीरियंसेस हैं दीज आर द सेंट्रल कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ हिज एजुकेशनल फिलासफी। जो गांधी है उसका ये मानना है कि जो एजुकेशन और जो लर्निंग है वो मोर इफेक्टिव होती हैं जब स्टूडेंट्स जो है वो एंगेज होते हैं इन प्रैक्टिकल और प्रोडक्टिव एक्टिविटीज़ इन स्टीड ऑफ रॉट लर्निंग। सो फॉर हिम जब स्टूडेंट्स एंगेज होते हैं इन दीज प्रोडक्टिव और प्रैक्टिकल एक्टिविटीज़ दैट हेल्प्स देम टू अंडरस्टैंड कंसेप्ट्स थ्रू एक्सपीरियंस एंड प्रैक्टिकल एप्लीकेशन। So he focuses on the development of practical skills as well as creative problem solving activities including gardening, carpentry and other local relevant crafts. For him ये जो activities हैं it not only teach students specific skills but it also help them to develop creativity, critical thinking, problem solving abilities within the context of their immediate environments. बेसिकली ये जो उसका अप्रोच है, it aims at to develop necessary skills, creative problem solving abilities among learners that also connect them with their immediate environment, and that also makes their relevant learning more relevant to their economic and social contexts. So it aims at to make learning more practical, grounded and applicable to real everyday life. अलॉन्ग विद दैट जो गांधी है वो देखते हैं एजुकेशन को एज ए टूल दैट मेक इंडिविजुअल्स और कम्युनिटीज़ एज सेल्फ रिलायंट और इकोनॉमिकली इंडिपेंडेंट एंड फॉर हिम बाय लर्निंग प्रैक्टिकल स्किल्स जो लर्नर्स हैं वो आल्सो सस्टेन कर सकते हैं अपने आप को और वो आल्सो रिड्यूस कर सकते हैं अपने डिपेंडेंस को ऑन एक्सटर्नल सिस्टम्स और वो आल्सो कंट्रीब्यूट कर सकते हैं टूवर्ड्स लोकल इकोनॉमीज़। सो फॉर गांधी जो स्किल्स हैं that students learn through Nai Talim that makes students able to contribute to this local industries, agriculture, and that also develop a sense of responsibility among them towards their own communities. और मैं आपको ऑल्सो बता दूं जो बेसिक गोल है उसकी एजुकेशनल फिलासफी का दैट इज़ टू अचीव स्वराज दैट इज़ सेल्फ रूल और विलेज सेल्फ रिलायंस। फॉर हिम जो ट्रू फ्रीडम और जो ट्रू इंडिपेंडेंस है उसको तभी उसको हम अचीव कर सकते हैं थ्रू द एम्पावरमेंट ऑफ विलेजेस दैट इज़ थ्रू प्रमोटिंग एजुकेशन दैट also act as means to achieve economic, political and self-reliance. Anyhow, जो basic aim है उसकी नई तालीम का that is to break down the differences between intellectual and manual work and by fulfilling this gap जो गांधी है वो aim करते हैं to prepare students for life of dignity, self-reliance and community service। और उसका ये जो focus है on local industries, crafts and agriculture, it aims at to promote sustainability, local economic development, as well as it also aims at to develop sense of moral and social responsibility among learners। और ये जो नई तालीम अप्रोच है it continuously inspire alternative education movements globally, especially those movements that focuses on the holistic education, sustainable development and self-reliance। और ये जो अप्रोच है उसका ये हमें इवन रेलिवेंट देखने को मिलता है इन टुडेज टाइम जो कि also encourage करता है in today's times educational systems that also teach मतलब that not only prioritize academic excellence but also the social responsibility and personal growth। Now talking about second one that is holistic development। जो महात्मा गांधी है महात्मा गांधी की एजुकेशनल फिलासफी है वो ऑल्सो फोकस करते हैं ऑन द ऑल राउंड डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द इंडिविजुअल्स दैट इज़ बाय एड्रेसिंग द इंटेलेक्चुअल इमोशनल एंड फिजिकल डायमेंशंस ऑफ देयर लाइफ। और उसकी जो एम है फॉर एजुकेशन दैट इज़ टू डेवलप बैलेंस एंड हारमोनी इन प्रैक्टिकल ग्रोथ दैट इंक्लूड्स द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ हेड हर्ट एंड हैंड्स। और ये जो इंटीग्रेटेड अप्रोच है इट एम्स एट टू प्रोड्यूस वेल राउंडेड इंडिविजुअल्स who can positively contribute towards their personal well-being and societal welfare। Talking about the development of head that is intellectual development, Gandhi believed that कि जो education है it should develop the mind of the learners by encouraging them to think critically, reason logically, to solve problems effectively। So here he focuses on the importance of developing the capacity of learners so that they can critically identify reliable sources of information as well as they can make informed decisions or ethical decisions। So for Gandhi जो गोल है एजुकेशन का वो ये नहीं होना चाहिए सिंपली एक्वायर करना इन्फॉर्मेशन को बट वो आल्सो ये होना चाहिए डेवलप करना इंडिविजुअल की एबिलिटी को सो दैट दे कैन एनालाइज सिचुएशंस, दे कैन एंगेज विद द वर्ल्ड इन इंटेलेक्चुअली रेस्पॉन्सिबली वे। सो जो गांधी हैं वो स्पेशली फोकस करते हैं ऑन सच टाइप ऑफ एजुकेशन और लर्निंग दैट कनेक्ट स्टूडेंट्स विद देयर practical or ethical considerations that helps them to avoid purely abstract or theoretical knowledge that had no practical use in real life situations। So for Gandhi जो intellectual development है it's not separate from moral growth, it should be based on the practical or ethical considerations जहाँ individuals जो है वो use कर सकते हैं their minds for the benefit of society and where they can also make their decisions based on truth and justice। Now talking about development of heart that is moral and spiritual development, जो गांधी है वो देखते हैं moral और spiritual values को as fundamental elements of education and he believes that कि जो purpose है education का that is to shape the character of the learners which he consider as more important than intellectual accomplishments। Moral and spiritual values include basic virtues like truth, satya, non-violence, ahimsa, love, compassion, and self-discipline that also plays an important role in the moral development and character formation of the learners। So for Gandhi, जो education है it's not only a means for achieving intellectual development but it is also a pathway to cultivate empathy, deeper sense of ethical responsibility among learners। And by promoting these values जो गांधी है वो aim करते हैं to create such individuals जो कि positively contribute कर सकते हैं towards harmony in both their own lives as well as in society। For Gandhi, by cultivating empathy, ethical values, so education had act as a means to promote harmony within the individuals and societies that also promotes life of service towards others that is not for beneficial for the individual's personal gain, but that is also beneficial for the collective good. Now talking about development of hands, that is development of practical skills and physical work. जो गांधी है वो देखते हैं मैनुअल और फिजिकल लेबर को एज इंटीग्रल पार्ट ऑफ एजुकेशन. फॉर हिम जो एजुकेशन है इट शुड आल्सो फोकस ऑन द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ मैनुअल एंड प्रैक्टिकल स्किल्स दैट हेल्प स्टूडेंट्स टू लर्न द डिग्निटी ऑफ लेबर. सो ये जो फोकस है उसका ऑन फिजिकल वर्क और एक्टिविटीज़, it include various activities like spinning, farming and other local crafts that help students to gain real world skills, as well as that also teaches them the value of hard work. और ये जो उसका इंक्लूजन है फिजिकल वर्क का, इट नॉट ओनली कीप स्टूडेंट्स मेंटली एंगेज्ड बट it also keeps students physically active. That also promotes self-reliance, sense of responsibility among them, and by engaging them in manual work, students हैं वो also gain करते हैं deeper connection to their environment, as well as they also recognize the value of hard work. So for Gandhi, वो देखते हैं physical labor को as a way to promote both mental and physical health, that also encourage students to maintain balance and well-being through active and practical engagement with the world. Basically जो purpose है इस holistic development का, that is to create balanced individuals who can balance their intellectual, emotional and practical lives, or who can think critically, that is the development of hand, or who can act morally, that is the development of heart, as well as who can contribute productively, that is development of hands. Anyhow, ये जो उसका integrated approach है, it aims at to empower individuals to lead meaningful lives, pursue personal growth and to engage in social service for the collective good. So ये जो उसका holistic approach है according to Gandhi, it was a lifelong journey of improvement that not just prepare individuals for formal education, or that's not about a formal education, but it is also about continuous learning or serving others. And by addressing all of these aspects of person's being, जो गांधी का model of education है, it aims at to transform individuals and in turn society itself. Right, now talking about third one, that is moral and spiritual foundations. In his educational philosophy, जो महात्मा गांधी हैं वो also strongly focus करते हैं on the moral and spiritual development, और वो देखते हैं मॉरल और स्पिरिचुअल डायमेंशंस ऑफ एजुकेशन को एज एन एसेंशियल कंपोनेंट्स फॉर पर्सनल ग्रोथ एंड सोशल हार्मनी. एंड ही बिलीव दैट कि जो प्राइमरी पर्पस है एजुकेशन का वो ये नहीं है जस्ट एक्वायर करना नॉलेज को और टेक्निकल स्किल्स को, बट दैट्स आल्सो अबाउट द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ कैरेक्टर, वर्च्यूज. दे आल्सो प्ले एन इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल इन प्रमोटिंग एथिकल लिविंग एंड स्पिरिचुअल अवेकनिंग. सच एज जो गांधी है वो आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं सिवरल वर्च्यूज को दैट आर एसेंशियल कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ एजुकेशन. दीज आर ट्रूथ, दैट इज सत्या. इट मीन्स टू एक्ट इन अकॉर्डेंस विद one's own moral compass. It includes making choices or taking actions in accordance with own personal values and beliefs, as well as it is about to consistently choose truthfulness, integrity in thoughts, words and actions. So for Gandhi, जो education है, it should guide individuals towards discovering universal truths, as well as it should teach them how they can practice them in daily lives. Similarly, for Gandhi, जो non-violence, that is ahimsa, it is also a means for developing love, compassion and respect for all living beings. For Gandhi, जो non-violence है, it is not only about the avoidance of physical harm, but it is also about the avoidance of hate, exploitation and oppression in thought and deed. Next is simplicity. For Gandhi, जो इंडिविजुअल्स की लाइफ है वो फ्री होनी चाहिए फ्रॉम एनी ग्रीड और मटेरियलिज्म. इंस्टेड दे शुड फोकस ऑन दी फुलफिलिंग देयर बेसिक नीड्स. सो गांधी जो है वो एनकरेज करते हैं स्टूडेंट्स को टू लिव लाइफ मिनिमली, दैट अप्रिशिएट द वैल्यू ऑफ सिंपलिसिटी फॉर पर्सनल एंड सोसाइटल वेलबींग. नेक्स्ट इज सेल्फ डिसिप्लिन. फॉर गांधी, जब इंडिविजुअल्स एक्सरसाइज करते हैं अपनी कंट्रोल को ओवर ऑन देयर ओन डिजायर्स, इमोशंस एंड एक्शंस, दैट लीड देम टुवर्ड्स द बैलेंस्ड एंड एथिकल लाइफ. सो वो देखते हैं सेल्फ डिसिप्लिन को एज ए फाउंडेशन फॉर कल्टिवेटिंग मॉरल बिहेवियर दैट अलाउ इंडिविजुअल्स टू मेक डिसिप्लिनरी चॉइसेस इवन इन डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशंस. अलॉन्ग विद दैट, एज जो गांधी है वो ऑल्सो हाईलाइट करते हैं इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ करेक्टर बिल्डिंग और करेक्टर फॉर्मेशन. सो ही आर्ग्यूड दैट कि जो करेक्टर बिल्डिंग और करेक्टर फॉर्मेशन है, दीज आर द इम्पॉर्टेंट आस्पेक्ट्स देन इम्पॉर्टिंग नॉलेज और स्किल्स, that are more important than imparting knowledge or skills. So for Gandhi, जो educated person है वो must practice करना चाहिए basic virtues in their life, including integrity, selflessness, and commitment towards a greater good. And he warned that knowledge that is without virtue that could lead individuals towards selfishness, exploitation and harm. And without having these virtues, जो individuals हैं वो fail हो सकते हैं contribute करना positively towards their societies. अदर देन दैट जो गांधी हैं वो ऑल्सो फोकस करते हैं ऑन द स्पिरिचुअल डेवलपमेंट. फॉर गांधी जो स्पिरिचुअल डेवलपमेंट है दैट्स नॉट ओनली लिमिटेड अप टू द रिलीजियस रिचुअल्स बट दैट ऑल्सो एक्सटेंड्स अप टू द यूनिवर्सल क्वेस्ट फॉर हायर ट्रुथ्स दैट इंक्लूड्स अ डीपर कनेक्शन विद द गॉड, यूनिटी ऑफ ऑल बीइंग्स एंड परस्यूट ऑफ हायर ट्रुथ्स. For Gandhi, जो education है, it must inspire students to recognize the interconnectedness of life, as well as that also inspire them to explore the spiritual potential, as well as that should promote spiritual growth among them, through which they can naturally translate their actions that uplift others and improve society. So he rejected ritualistic religiosity and he suggested such a way of life that is based on ethical principles and selfless service. Basically for Gandhi जो purpose है moral और spiritual education का, that is to produce such individuals who will live their life ethically, in which they will act with integrity, kindness and respect for others, as well as who will positively contribute towards humanity by using their talent, knowledge and resources for a common good. At the same, they will also lead by an example who will inspire others to practice basic virtues including truth, non-violence and simplicity. Anyhow, ये जो moral spiritual development है, these are the central components of Gandhi's vision of education. And by focusing on the moral and spiritual development, जो गांधी है वो aim करते हैं to produce such individuals who will be active agents of change, as well as who will promote more just and compassionate societies. और उसका ये जो focus है on virtues or ethics, it remains a foundation of his vision for educational system that develops both individuals as well as communities. Right, now talking about fourth one, that is medium of instruction. महात्मा गांधी जो है वो फोकस करते हैं ऑन द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ मदर टंग एज ए प्राइमरी मीडियम ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शन इन एजुकेशन. फॉर हिम जो मदर टंग है इट शुड बी यूज्ड एज ए प्राइमरी मीडियम ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शन बिकॉज फॉर हिम इट प्लेस एन क्रूशियल रोल इन शेपिंग लर्नर्स इंटेलेक्चुअल, कल्चरल एंड इमोशनल डेवलपमेंट. एंड ही आर्ग्यूड दैट कि जो मदर लैंग्वेज है इट्स नॉट ओनली अबाउट द मीडियम ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन बट इट ऑल्सो एक्ट एज ए कैटलिस्ट ब्रिज दैट कनेक्ट इंडिविजुअल्स विद देयर हेरिटेज एंड सराउंडिंग्स सच एज. गांधी बिलीव्ड दैट कि जो चिल्ड्रंस हैं वो बेस्ट समझते हैं एब्स्ट्रैक्ट कंसेप्ट्स को थ्रू देयर ओन लैंग्वेज और मदर टंग दैट प्रमोट्स नेचुरल एंड डीपर अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ द कंसेप्ट्स अमंग देम. सो फॉर गांधी जो एजुकेशन है इट शुड बी फोकस्ड ऑन मदर टंग. इट शुड गिव अ स्पेशल फोकस ऑन मदर टंग दैट एनहांसेस क्रिएटिविटी, क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग एंड सेल्फ एक्सप्रेशन of learners, through which जो learners हैं they can express their ideas without the barrier of unfamiliar vocabulary. And he also argued that learning in mother tongue it promotes seamless connection to the student between home and school environment. That's important for their confidence building, emotional well-being as well as better retention of knowledge. In addition जो गांधी हैं वो also criticize करते हैं colonial education systems को because he finds that these education systems impose English as a medium of instruction that basically distance Indian students from their cultural and linguistic roots. And he saw colonial education system as a deliberate attempt to erode India's traditional knowledge system that basically wants to replace them. That basically wants to replace Indian education system with Western values. And he believed that Western model of education it create a class division or differences between English educated individuals and Indian students. And for Gandhi ये जो English educated elites थे these are basically disconnected from the realities of rural and local communities of India. सो गांधी जो है वो देखते हैं वेस्टर्न मॉडल ऑफ एजुकेशन को एज ए फॉर्म ऑफ सोशो इकोनॉमिक इनइक्वालिटी बिकॉज इन सच टाइप ऑफ एजुकेशन सिस्टम्स रीजनल और इंडिजिनस लैंग्वेज जो हैं उनको मार्जिनलाइज किया गया था दैट हैव नो वैल्यू इन colonial education system. And Gandhi also argued that कि ये जो colonial education systems हैं they mainly focuses on the rote learning or materialistic values that basically neglected the moral and spiritual dimensions of education. Along with that जो गांधी हैं वो देखते हैं मदर टंग को एज एन एसेंशियल फॉर प्रिजर्विंग कल्चरल आइडेंटिटी, ट्रांसमिटिंग ट्रेडिशंस एंड प्रमोटिंग प्राइड इन वंस ओन हेरिटेज. सो वो देखते हैं मदर टंग को एज ए टूल नॉट ओनली फॉर एजुकेशन बट आल्सो फॉर द रिपोजिटरी ऑफ विजडम एंड मॉरल वैल्यूज. Apart from mother tongue, he also suggested the use of regional languages in learning that also facilitate cultural exchange, that also promotes sense of unity among Indian diverse communities. Other than that, he also believed that education given in mother tongue it plays an important role in preserving India's linguistic diversity, cultural richness, that also creates a pride in indigenous traditions, that also reduce the dominance of Western educational systems. And by making education accessible to all sections of society, particularly rural communities, he aims at to democratize education, and he wants to eliminate linguistic barriers towards learning. Anyhow, by suggesting the use of mother tongue as a medium of instruction, जो गांधी है वो aim करते हैं to create such type of education system that is deeply rooted in Indian culture traditions, through which he aims at to empower individuals to think independently, to retain their identity. That also aims at to promote social harmony, national integration through linguistic inclusivity. और उसका ये जो फोकस है ऑन मदर टंग इट इज़ इवन रिलेवेंट टुडे, दैट आल्सो एक्ट एज ए एसेंशियल फ्रेमवर्क फॉर preserving cultural diversity, that promote holistic learning, and that also ensures equitable access to education. Now talking about fifth one, that is focus on rural development. गांधी जो है वो देखते हैं रूरल इंडिया को एज फाउंडेशन और बैकबोन ऑफ नेशनल प्रोग्रेस as well as development. In his educational philosophy, वो strongly focus करते हैं on the rural development, that empower villagers through relevant and skill-based and value-driven education. And he suggested such type of education system that directly address the needs and aspirations of rural communities. Such as he argued that कि जो कोर आइडेंटिटी है इंडिया की, दैट रिसाइड्स इन इट्स विलेजेस, जहाँ मेजॉरिटी ऑफ पॉपुलेशन रहती है. ही बिलीव्ड दैट इग्नोरिंग रूरल एरियाज इट वुड लीड टुवर्ड्स इकोनॉमिक डिस्पैरिटी एंड सोशल अनरेस्ट दैट विल हिंडर द नेशन's ओवरऑल ग्रोथ एंड प्रोग्रेस. So for him, जो education है, it should be tool to uplift rural communities that can address their unique challenges, and that also preserves their cultural integrity and ecological balance. Along with that, उसका जो नई तालीम मॉडल है दैट पर्टिकुलरली फोकसेस ऑन द क्राफ्ट बेस्ड लर्निंग और स्किल्स इंक्लूडिंग स्पिनिंग, वीविंग, पॉटरी, फार्मिंग, एज आई अर्लियर टॉक्ड अबाउट दिस. फॉर हिम ये जो एक्टिविटीज़ हैं दीज आर नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर प्रोवाइडिंग इकोनॉमिक अपॉर्चुनिटीज़, बट दे आल्सो प्रमोट सेल्फ रिलायंट और अप्रिसिएशन फॉर मैनुअल लेबर. And by focusing on these areas, he aims at to reduce rural dependence on urban centers, as well as he wants to prevent rural-urban migration and effects of industrialization on traditional livelihoods. इन एडिशन जो गांधी है वो देखते हैं विलेजेस को एज एन ऑटोनॉमस और सेल्फ रिलायंट कम्युनिटीज़ जो कि कैपेबल होते हैं और हु आर कैपेबल फॉर ऑफ मीटिंग देयर ओन इकोनॉमिक एंड सोशल नीड्स, इन विच जो एजुकेशन है वो प्ले करती है वेरी क्रूशियल रोल दैट डेवलप्स प्रैक्टिकल स्किल्स, नेसेसरी नॉलेज अमंग स्टूडेंट्स दैट इज़ नेसेसरी फॉर लोकल प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग एंड इनोवेशन. सो उसका ये जो अप्रोच है इट एनकरेज कॉपरेशन एंड कम्युनिटी एंगेजमेंट दैट आल्सो प्रमोट सेंस ऑफ शेयर्ड पर्पस, इंडिपेंडेंस अमंग रूरल पॉपुलेशंस. एंड बाय कनेक्टिंग एजुकेशन विद द रूरल रियलिटीज़, जो गांधी हैं वो एम करते हैं टू एम्पावर यंग पीपल टू रिमेन इन देयर विलेजेस एंड टू कंट्रीब्यूट टुवर्ड्स देयर कम्युनिटीज़ रादर दैन माइग्रेटिंग टू सिटीज़. बेसिकली हियर जो गांधी है वो एम करते हैं टू ब्रिज द गैप बिटवीन अर्बन एंड रूरल एरियाज बाय रिड्यूसिंग इनइक्वालिटी, वैल्यूइंग रूरल नॉलेज एंड बाय यूजिंग देयर ओन नॉलेज इन मॉडर्न टेक्नोलॉजीज रादर दैन डिपेंडिंग ऑन अर्बन इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन. एंड बाय प्रिजर्विंग ट्रेडिशनल नॉलेज एंड बाय प्रमोटिंग ट्रेडिशनल क्राफ्ट्स एंड प्रैक्टिसेस, जो गांधी है वो सजेस्ट करते हैं यूज़ ऑफ अप्रोप्रिएट मॉडर्न टेक्नोलॉजीज दैट सूटेड रूरल नीड्स without disrupting their cultural fabric. Anyhow, by focusing on rural development in his educational philosophy, जो गांधी है वो एम करते हैं to create economically self-reliant villages that act as a backbone of nation's progress, and he also aims at to create socially cohesive communities that are based on cooperation, shared responsibility. और उसका ये जो approach है it also aims at to create balanced और inclusive societies जहाँ urban और rural areas develop होते हैं together. और उसका ये जो vision है it remains a timeless framework for sustainable development that focuses on the integration of local traditions, modern innovations, as well as education to empower rural communities. Now talking about sixth one, that is equality and inclusiveness. जो गांधी की एजुकेशनल फिलासफी है दैट इज डीपली बेस्ड ऑन द प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ इक्वलिटी इन inclusiveness that aims at to eliminate social barriers or social divisions that also empower all individuals regardless of their caste, gender or class. Such as गांधी जो है वो स्ट्रांगली अपोज करते हैं कास्ट बेस्ड डिस्क्रिमिनेशन को, एंड ही सा इट एज अ मेजर ऑब्स्टिकल टू सोशल प्रोग्रेस एंड हार्मनी. इंस्टीट्यूट वो फोकस करते हैं ऑन द इक्विटेबल एक्सेस और अपॉर्चुनिटी ऑफ एजुकेशन फॉर मार्जिनलाइज्ड और बैकवर्ड कम्युनिटीज़ इंक्लूडिंग दलित्स एंड अदर ऑपरेटेड ग्रुप्स। और जो गांधी हैं वो उनको रिगार्ड करते हैं एज हरिजन्स और चिल्ड्रंस ऑफ गॉड। But he also strongly supported education for girls, and he viewed it as a crucial for empowerment of families and communities. And he believed that women's education transforms societies by promoting enlightened and ethical future generations. But he also believed that कि जो education है it should bridge the gap between rich and poor, that eradicate social economic disparities, that creates an opportunities for poor to access learning, and that also helps them to break the cycles of poverty, as well as that also promotes mutual respect and cooperation. Along with that, he saw schools as a space for communal harmony, जहाँ students जो हैं from diverse backgrounds they learn together, and he aimed at to create such type of learning environment जहाँ mutual respect और understanding flourish होती. And he also suggested such type of curriculum and teaching methods that focuses on the universal values like truth, satya, non-violence, ahimsa, compassion, that also plays an essential role in eradicating social and religious divisions. So for him ये जो values हैं they must be taught to the students not only through thematically but also through practically, that is through group activities that also promotes cooperation. For him, by engaging in craft work, farming and community service, it helps students from different backgrounds, that promotes interaction, that also dissolves irrational attitudes, and that also promotes solidarity. Other than that, जो गांधी है वो देखते हैं एजुकेशन को एज ए लिबरेटिंग फोर्स दैट डेवलप नेसेसरी स्किल्स एंड नॉलेज अमंग स्टूडेंट्स दैट आर needed to achieve social and economic equality. So he stressed on the importance of practical training in order to promote self-reliance and independence. And he also saw education as a means to challenge societal hierarchies, that help oppressed people to gain confidence to participate fully in nations building, and that also provides them opportunities for skill development and self-reliant, that liberate oppressed groups from systemic inequalities. Basically, जो गांधी का अप्रोच है towards equality and inclusiveness, it aims at to eliminate social barriers, that aims at to make education free of discrimination and accessible to all, that empower marginalized communities and uphold the dignity of every individual. और ये जो अप्रोच है it also aims at to promote unity, cooperation by building solidarity among students and by encouraging them for collective responsibility as well as for societal well-being. और ये जो अप्रोच है it also aims at to create an equitable societies जहाँ everyone had an opportunity to contribute meaningfully towards national development regardless of their background. Anyhow, ये जो गांधी का फोकस है ऑन इक्वालिटी एंड inclusiveness, it redefines education as a catalyst or tool for social cohesion and human dignity. और उसका ये जो विजन है it not only empower individuals but it also empower communities to transform society into the mutual respect, harmony and shared progress. और ये जो holistic approach है it remains timeless model for addressing inequality and for promoting unity in diverse communities. Right now, talking about seventh one, that is critique of Western education. जो गांधी थे वो डीपली क्रिटिकल थे टुवर्ड्स वेस्टर्न एजुकेशन सिस्टम which were introduced during British rule, and he believed that this type of educational system is misfit or ill-suited to India's cultural, social and spiritual needs, that particularly focuses on the material success rather than moral and spiritual dimensions, such as जो गांधी है वो criticize करते हैं western education को because he finds that it particularly focuses on the intellectual achievements and material success rather than moral character and spiritual growth. So he viewed this type of education system as useless for India's social and cultural needs because it creates a class of educated or self-serving elites that are disconnected from the realities and struggles of rural India. And he believed that ये जो education system है it is responsible for less ethical values, that promotes competition, selfishness, sense of inferiority among Indians, that basically destroy their self-confidence and cultural pride. Another reason why he criticized a colonial education system because he finds that ये जो educational systems हैं they ignore India's languages, craft and spiritual teachings, that disconnect Indians from their own rich cultural heritage. and he believed that ये जो disconnection है from traditional values, it destroys national pride and it promote a dependence of Indian educated class on Western ideals and ways of thinking. So for him ये जो Western education है, it focuses on the rote learning, abstract knowledge, which is more irrelevant to the needs of the rural communities. Instead, he suggested such type of education that develop national identity and that celebrates India's civilizational achievements. अदर देन दैट जो बेसिकली ट्रू एम है गांधी की एजुकेशनल फिलासफी का, दैट इज़ टू क्रिएट सच टाइप ऑफ एजुकेशनल सिस्टम दैट रिफ्लेक्ट एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ इंडियन ट्रेडिशंस एंड दैट fulfills the basic needs of rural India through practical skills like farming, weaving, crafts, which he saw as foundation for the nation's progress. So he focuses on the teaching of practical skills including farming, weaving, and other crafts that promote self-reliance and that reduce poverty and that revitalize local economies. So for him जो education है, it should go beyond intellectual training up to the character building, ethical values and spiritual growth. So he suggested the use of India's philosophical and cultural traditions in order to inspire Indian students. So he suggested the use of India's philosophical and cultural traditions into the curriculum that can inspire Indian students. Basically उसका जो vision है for an alternative education system, it's not about to rejection of knowledge, but it is also about to create such type of educational system that is based on Indian cultural traditions that promotes pride and self-confidence among learners, as well as that also promotes moral, spiritual, along with intellectual development, that also makes students morally responsible individuals, as well as that also address practical needs of student by focusing on practical skills and self-sufficiency that empower rural communities, and that also bridges the gap between education and real life challenges. Anyhow, जो गांधी का critique है towards Western education, it is not only about a rejection of knowledge, but it is also about the rejection of such type of education that focuses on the material successes over moral and spiritual cultural well-being. Basically, उसका जो aim था, that is to create alternative education system that was more humane, ethical, and deeply connected to India's realities and traditions that also enhance learners' capabilities to contribute towards more balanced and harmonious societies. Now talking about eighth one, that is education as a tool for social change. जो गांधी हैं वो रिगार्ड करते हैं एजुकेशन को एज ए ट्रांसफॉर्मेटिव और पावरफुल फोर्स दैट नॉट ओनली फॉर इंडिविजुअल ग्रोथ बट आल्सो फॉर द सोसाइटी एज ए होल. फॉर हिम जो एजुकेशन है इट एक्ट एज ए कैटलिस्ट टूल जो कि इंस्पायर करती है इंडिविजुअल्स टू कंट्रीब्यूट एक्टिवली टूवर्ड्स द अपलिफ्टमेंट ऑफ कम्युनिटीज एंड द नेशन एज ए होल. That also act as a tool for addressing economic, social and political inequalities and that promotes a harmonious and equitable society. Such as जो गांधी हैं वो रिजेक्ट करते हैं such type of education that solely focuses on the personal success or material wealth. Instead, he supported such type of education system that promotes sense of selflessness, compassion, responsibility towards the well-being of others. So for Gandhi, true education जो है it's something in which जो individuals हैं वो use करते हैं अपने knowledge skills को for promoting social justice, equality, and that also make individuals capable to serve society as a whole, and that also helps them to promote the common good. Apart from this, जो गांधी हैं वो देखते हैं education को as an essential for eliminating or addressing social issues or evils like caste discrimination, poverty, gender inequality, that develops ethical values among individuals that as well as that also empower marginalized sections of the society. So he saw education as a means to achieve self-reliance, especially that uplift rural communities through self-development, local industries and sustainable livelihoods that also reduce their dependence on urban centers or external aid. So for him जो politically education है it is also an essential for informed and responsible citizens who could actively participate in democratic progress that is also essential for the promotion of peace, non-violence and justice in governance. In addition, for Gandhi जो learning है it is incomplete without the application of knowledge in service of society. For him जो educated person है उनकी ये duty है to serve society and to work for a greater good. So he encouraged students to engage in community service and to practice principles of truth, satya, non-violence, ahimsa in their daily lives. So for Gandhi जो education है it is deeply linked to the ethical action that learning or that type of education lead learners towards such deeds that benefit others. So for him, जो educated individuals हैं उनकी ये primary responsibility है, that is to challenge injustice and to work towards the upliftment of their communities. Basically जो गांधी है वो देखते हैं education को as a transformative process that cultivates a sense of social responsibility among learners by encouraging them to prioritize the well-being of others over personal gain. And he saw education as a means for building equitable and harmonious societies that promotes unity, mutual respect among diverse communities. And he also saw education as a means for empowerment, for positive change that develop confidence and knowledge of students to address social inequalities and to promote sustainable development. Anyhow, जो गांधी की एजुकेशनल फिलॉसफी है that is closely associated with his vision of just and compassionate societies, and he believed that कि जो education है it should transform individuals into an active agents of change who will work together to create world or society that is based on equality, sustainability and human dignity. And through this approach जो गांधी है वो aim करते हैं to bridge the gap between personal growth and collective progress of humanity. Now talking about ninth one, that is education for self-realization. जो महात्मा गांधी हैं वो रिगार्ड करते हैं एजुकेशन को एज ए profound journey that lead individuals towards self-realization, which he considered as highest goal of human life. And he believed that कि जो true education है that is beyond the acquisition of knowledge and skills, that is the cultivation of moral and spiritual values that help individuals to fulfill their potential and to contribute towards their society. So he saw education as a pathway that awaken individuals inner potential and sense of responsibility towards others, such as जो गांधी हैं वो देखते हैं एजुकेशन को एज अ मीन्स टू अनकवर इंडिविजुअल्स इनर सेल्फ दैट इज बेस्ड ऑन द यूनिवर्सल मॉरल एंड स्पिरिचुअल वैल्यूज लाइक ट्रुथ, सत्य, नॉन वायलेंस, अहिंसा एंड सर्विस टू अदर्स. सो फॉर गांधी जो सेल्फ रियलाइजेशन है हेल्प इंडिविजुअल्स to understand one's own purpose in life, as well as that also teaches them how they can act as per these universal values. So for Gandhi jo self realization hai, it's not about to recognize the interconnectedness or unity of all life, but it is also about to live in harmony with oneself and society and nature. Along with that, for Gandhi, jo education had extends beyond formal schooling. That does not end with formal schooling. That remains a continuous process throughout the life, that is a lifelong journey of learning and improvement. So he focuses on the importance of continuous self improvement that includes learning from the life experiences, adapting challenges and continuously cultivating virtues like humility, courage and compassion. So for Gandhi, lifelong learning was about intellectual and moral development, or balance of intellectual growth and moral awareness that guide individuals to refine their character throughout the life, as well as that enhance their understanding of the world. Other than that, जो गांधी हैं वो लिंक करते हैं सेल्फ रियलाइजेशन को विद strong sense of duty towards others, especially towards the marginalized and oppressed sections of society. He believed that कि जो education है it should inspire individuals to work for the well-being of others and to contribute towards more just and equitable society. Basically जो गांधी की philosophy है of self realization through education, it focuses on the holistic approach that aims at to promote ethical and spiritual awareness among learners by developing their character in accordance with higher values. That also encourages them to introspect learning as a commitment towards lifelong moral and intellectual growth, as well as that also develops a sense of duty and service towards humanity that also inspire individuals to dedicate their life towards the betterment of the society. Anyhow, so Gandhi का concept है concept of education as a pathway towards self realization. It aims at to develop head, heart and hands of the learners in harmony, and by creating a balance of intellectual, moral and spiritual development. जो education है it guide individuals towards life purpose, fulfillment and service towards humanity. और उसका जो vision है that continuously inspire various approaches towards education that prioritize both personal growth and collective well-being. Overall जो गांधी की educational philosophy है that continuously inspire discussions on alternative education, sustainability and integration of values in learning system. और उसकी जो educational philosophy है that provides a framework for addressing issues like unemployment, environmental degradation, social inequality through education. तो गाइस ये था आज का हमारा टॉपिक. आई होप आपको अच्छे से क्लियर हुआ होगा. अगर कहीं पे डाउट कन्फ्यूजन हो तो आप कमेंट सेशन में ज़रूर लिखिए. इसके अलावा आप मुझे फॉलो कर सकते हैं ऑन डिफरेंट सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स. सो दैट्स इट. आई होप यू फाइंड दिस वीडियो इन्फॉर्मेटिव. डोंट फॉरगेट टू शेयर, लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब टू ईसी प्लान डार्क चैनल. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.